An incredible journey from billions of fresh eggs to creamy mayonnaise begins.
The AGVs are running smoothly on schedule. Good. Monitor the temperature log for the new shipment. Approved eggs enter giant rotary washing machines, where purified warm water and food-safe sanitizers gently clean every shell.
Thousands of eggs enter automated breaking machines that crack each shell with incredible precision. Mechanical separators instantly divide egg yolks from egg whites.
Large stainless steel tanks accurately measure vinegar, water, salt, sugar, mustard, lemon juice, and
The freshly mixed mayonnaise enters a giant vacuum chamber where tiny trapped air bubbles are removed. Approved mayonnaise passes through powerful high-pressure homogenizers that refine the emulsion into an exceptionally creamy texture. Tiny droplets become evenly distributed. Tiny food-grade plastic pellets enter giant injection molding machines where bottle preforms are created with incredible precision. Freshly filled jars receive metal lids, while squeeze bottles receive precision-threaded flip-top caps.
Advanced laser printers permanently mark containers with traceability information. Intelligent vision systems verify the codes, and imperfect prints are automatically rejected without slowing production.
Autonomous guided vehicles transport wrapped pallets into a massive automated warehouse filled with towering storage racks.
The global distribution journey officially begins. Before shipping, every carton passes through an automated inspection station. AI-powered cameras verify
Export shipments enter a modern container terminal where giant cranes load mayonnaise cartons into shipping containers.
We need 3 more gourmet burgers on the pass.
Working on the wraps now, chef.
The salad is ready for dressing.
Simple ingredients become delicious meals. The factory's journey reaches everyday life. Millions of families enjoy the final product. Burgers, sandwiches, wraps, salads, pasta, seafood, and dipping sauces all begin with the same creamy base. Fresh bread slices move along high-speed conveyors, while automatic sauce dispensers spread a perfectly even layer of mayonnaise onto.
Fast food depends on consistent engineering.
One ingredient transforms simple vegetables into premium ready meals.
The balance is superb. This one is definitely a winner. Check the temperature on the aioli, please.
Perfect, chef. The salmon is placed.
All glassware is polished and ready.
The floating city depends on efficient food logistics. One factory supports life at sea.
How are we looking on the chicken wraps? Almost done with this batch, sending them to staging now? Keep the burgers coming, we're falling behind.
Look at the consumption metrics from the new motors. Impressive efficiency gains across the board. The sustainability targets are well within reach.
One manufacturing process supports millions of meals around the world. The factory's influence is everywhere. Every meal tells part of the story.
An ordinary spoonful now carries an extraordinary manufacturing story. The journey continues beyond what the eye can normally see.
Industrial stainless steel mixers gently combine fresh vegetables with perfectly measured mayonnaise to create coleslaw, potato salad, chicken. A specialized production line blends mayonnaise with herbs, roasted garlic, chili, black pepper, cheese, and spices to create a wide variety of creamy dips.
The viscosity is exactly where the data predicted, but the mouthfeel needs refinement.
Agreed. Let's increase the shear rate and run another panel this afternoon.
The droplet distribution looks perfect. Yes, the viscosity reading confirms it. We are within the standard limits.
Inventory levels on A3 are fluctuating. Check the AI forecast.
It's adjusting the ingredient flow automatically. Efficiency is up 2% this hour.
Every jar has a journey. Every meal has a story.
Yes, look at that, 1 million jars. Woo! Incredible work, team.
Most people never think about the remarkable factory behind every spoonful of mayonnaise. The product quietly improves countless recipes every day.
The final cinematic chapter is about to begin.